In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Wisely account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now in order to log into your account, what you have to do is go to the official website of Wisely. For that, click on the search bar. Now type in mywisely.com, press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of Wisely. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to log into your account, click on this option login that you can see on the screen. After you do that, you'll be able to log into your account. You'll be able to find two options over here, get started, login. If you want to get started, click on this option get started that you can see on the screen. If you already have the account and if you want to log in, click on this option login that you can see on the screen. All you have to do is enter the credentials and you'll be logged into your account. So first of all, enter the username. Click on the field of username and enter your username over here. Make sure to enter the correct username. Now click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten the username or password, click on this option forgot username or password and you'll be able to recover them. Now after you enter the credentials, click on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be logged into your account, but if you have enabled the two-factor authentication, you'll have to go through the authentication process in order to log in. But if you have enabled the two-factor authentication, you'll have to go through the authentication process in order to log in. So like this, you'll be able to log in to your account. So that is how you log in Wisely account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.